Hello, little nursery children of the city school. We are going to learn about the letter K. Let's know the objectives. We will recognize capital and small letter K. We will write K with correct formation, and we will relate the letter K to the objects in the environment. Now both the K's come on the upper three lines, and by that I mean the capital K and the small k. The sound of the letter is K. Now, to write the capital K, you start from the first line, you make a straight line towards the third line, and you stop at the third line. Then you start from the first line, make a slanting line towards the straight line. After that, from the very same point where the slanting line touches the straight line, make another line towards the third line in the same slanting position. And there you have a capital K. Now, to make a small k, you have to make another straight line moving from the first line towards the third line. Starting from the second line, you make a slanting line towards the straight line, and from the very same point you make another slanting line towards the third line. There you have it. There you have the small k. Next, we will find some objects that start with k. For example, k, kangaroo, k, kitchen, k, keyboard, k, karate, k, kiwi fruit, k, king, and k, kitten. Now here are some sounds, some words with k as initial sounds. For example, k, kipper, k, keys, k, ketchup. Now let's see where k is used as a middle sound. Now in the words baker, joker, and token is the middle sound. Let's see k as an ending sound now, like fork, bark, and desk. Let's make some words with the sound k. K, kit, k, kid, k, Kit Kat. I hope now you can name and write some k words. So enjoy!